Hey guys, Kaikane Smith here. Today's topic is how to charge your private students and make them pay you in advance. This is one of the most important lessons in my awesome book and throughout my video channel. Why? Because it will absolutely determine how you get paid. Without money or without any guarantee, you have nothing. I have seen way too many good teachers ruin their private English teaching career simply because they had no payment system. My payment system, however, is flawless. I've been using it for almost 20 years and it works like a charm. Therefore, having a good and flawless payment system will in fact allow you to take control of your whole teaching game and will determine how much money you make each day and over time. I've always followed my own system that I implemented myself long ago, and it has always worked flawlessly ever since. I have a pretty easy and simple system such as what you're about to hear. Use it, follow it, and you will see the magic appear. How you do it and whether or not you can persuade your students to do it is entirely up to you. Simply follow the following rules. Make them pay in blocks of 4 classes if they want to take 1 class a week. 4 classes of 1 hour at $30 per hour times 4 equals $120 you get paid in advance. Make them pay in blocks of 6 classes if they want to take 1 to 2 classes a week. 6 classes of 1 hour, $30 per hour times 6 equals $180. You get my drift. It's as simple as that, guys and gals. Seriously. Make them renew for each course on the 3rd class, etc., etc. That means on every 3rd lesson, they will pay you for the next course. Also, it is important to tell you 1 month in advance if they need to stop the lessons. Simply tell them that there is a small fee of $30 or whatever the currency is and wherever you are teaching for last-minute course cancellations due to schedule conflicts with your other students, vice versa. If they tell you at the last minute, then they have to pay the $30 fine for the last class. However you handle it is entirely up to you. But do keep in mind, I've been using these methods for years, and they always work like a charm. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Furthermore, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website at getrichtechingenglish.com. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. Do have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. There are thousands to be put up, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned. I usually put up 3 to 5 every day, and I will keep on doing it until the world ends. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.